A story for our children's sake. We often hear about divorce because of big problems like affairs or fighting, but a quieter, sadder reason is often missed: the children. On New Year's Day, my husband John and I visited my parents. The weather was nice. Neighbors were planning a trip to Disneyland. The kids were thrilled, all except for one little boy standing alone by the wall, looking heartbroken. I gently encouraged him to play. Another child overheard and said, "He won't. He doesn't have a mom or dad." My mom knew his story. "He's 6. His young parents had him right after college, married quickly, and struggled. His mother left when he was 2, tired of their hard life. His father, feeling like a failure, also left to find work, leaving the boy with his aging grandparents. They love him and keep him fed and clothed, but they can't give him the guidance or confidence he needs. He's become withdrawn, aware he's different." A neighbor sighed. "He used to be so lively." "It's heartbreaking. We'd love to include him, but it's a big responsibility with unknown parents." As his grandmother led him away, he looked back at the playing children, his eyes full of a deep longing. Another day, I was at the park with my daughter Lily and my nephew. We heard a sharp cry. A little boy was clinging to a man's leg, sobbing, "Daddy." The man snapped, "Go find your mom. Don't bother me." My mom explained later that couple in their 30s had everything given to them by their parents: a home, a car, even meals. Yet, they fought constantly over tiny chores. Having a child made it worse. When their parents got sick and couldn't help anymore, their marriage fell apart. Now divorcing, neither wants the child, fearing it will complicate finding a new partner. They argue over who must take him, each claiming the other is more responsible. The man finally pushed the boy aside and walked away. The child was left weeping on the ground until his grandmother came for him. What future awaits him? A court recently shared data on 50,000 divorces. The top reason wasn't drama. It was the slow grind of daily disagreements that people couldn't resolve. Many blame marriage itself, but the problem is never the institution, it's the people in it. Adults choose to love, marry, and divorce. Children have no choice. They are innocent and deserve to be protected. I looked at my laughing daughter and made a silent vow. I will cherish my marriage so she grows up with both her mom and dad. But even if life takes an unexpected turn, I will never abandon her. I brought her into this world. My duty is to give her a safe and loving life. True strength isn't shown by a loud voice, but by quiet action and taking responsibility. It's about growing up before bringing a child into the world, understanding that some choices last a lifetime.